Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see how can we generate software architecture diagrams and system diagrams with the help of Marmite charts. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how can we generate database diagrams with the help of Marmite, ChatGPT and Draw.io? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. First of all, you need to go to marmatecharts.com and you will see this interface. In my previous videos, if you watch those videos, you saw that I opened GitHub repository of marmate.js, but now we have Marmate charts, and this marmatechart.com website has everything that we need to do to create system diagram or software architecture diagram. Let's explore this website, but before starting, you need to sign in with your account. So I sign in with the help of Google account, so you can use whatever you want. So this service is not free, but you can get a 14 days free trial if you are going to start for the first time. So you can check their pricing. So you can see that it's free forever, which is $0 and have limited storage and 5 diagrams, basic editor, presentation and comments. And you can start your free 14-day trial by just clicking on this button, or you can choose this one. Now let's start editing, and if you scroll down you can see the overview that they have given, but let's move towards to editing part. So you have to click on it, and this is the main dashboard that you will see when you will click on start editing. And you can see that there are two options right here, new diagram and new AI diagram. So this feature is very amazing, and you will see that how I'm going to use this feature to create AI created diagrams. And if you use this feature, obviously you have to create diagrams manually. So you can see that this is the code just like Marmate.life editor. You already saw there that we write code just like this from Marmate diagrams, and it generates diagram for that. But now we have all the things right in here with the help of AI, chat, and code snippets or sample diagram. If you just go browse to the sample diagram, then you will see all diagrams that they have included in their website. So they have block diagram, C4, class diagram, ER, flowchart, and there are few more diagrams that we didn't see in the GitHub repository of Marmate. So you can just click on this and this will just put the code right here. So if I just click on sequence diagram, you can find it right here. And these are the sample sequence diagram that just use this one and replace it. And then here you go. You can see this. The editor has the code and the diagram has generated. Now what we can do, what is the most amazing part that I said before is the AI part. So if you click on this, you will see that they have built-in bot which can give you the code. Also, it can analyze your current code and the current diagram. So if I just ask to edit this diagram, it will give a new code and I will just place that code right here to see the new results. So they have also given examples like give the node start a black background with the white text color and add an age from start to continue, add new onwards and create an age from continue to onwards. So we can just do like that. So let's start with a use case diagram. So obviously we need a use case for that. So I'm going to ask generate sequence diagram for hospital management system and press enter. So it will be generating the code just right here. You can see that it is just like ChatGPT, but we don't have to go there again and again and ask ChatGPT to do this. And also we don't have to face any errors now because they have built-in chatbot which have their Marmate code and it is trained on that. So we don't need to troubleshoot or diagnose any error. You can just copy the code and this code will just run on first execute. So you can just copy the code or you can just use it. And you can see that it has also added an explanation like ChatGPT. So let's just copy this code or use this code. I'm going to click on use this code. So here it the updated version. Here is the updated version. And you can also see the bigger version of the image right here. Now there is an extra feature in this marmatechart.com. You can see that you can edit this diagram. Now you don't have to go to draw.io and paste the Marmate code right there and edit your diagram from draw.io. So they have built-in feature now. You can just click on it and change the colors or move the arrows or anything that you want to do. So if I just click on it, you can see that you can update the label right from here. You can also change the text from here. You can also ask this bot to change any text or change any color. Let's try asking to change the color of this diagram. I'm typing change the color of this sequence diagram. Let's see what it will give us. I'm going to press enter and let's see. So it is including colors right here. You can see that RGB 230, 240, 55. So these are the color codes. Let's use this code. You can see that it has changed the colors automatically. I didn't say specifically anything to change the color for any specific label or box, so it just did that on their own. So the prompt was change the color of the sequence diagram, and it is not bad. Now there is one more thing that we can do. You can also just use anything from here. So for example, if you want to add another participant, you can just click on it. So it will add another participant right from here. And there is also option for add new actor. If I click on it, you can see that an actor has been added. So for now, we just don't need that. So we can just remove them. You can just click on this and remove these things if you want to. So there is another option. You can see that open cheat sheet. If you click on that, you will see that some guidance or some instructions like diagrams currently supported, enable or disable the visual editor. So it's like guide or some type of documentation that you can use in Marmite chart. So now if you want to export this diagram, obviously you can go to export diagram and export as image as PNG, SVG or anything. So I'm going for PNG. Let's see. So here it is. It is just copied the full diagram in the PNG file. So you can easily export this with this feature. And one more thing right here is change theme. So if you just want to change the theme of this diagram, you can just use this one. For example, forest. So it will just do this by default colors. So if I click on base, it will also change the color and neutral and dark. Let's just use Marmite chart for now. And you can also use the timeline feature. It has history. Obviously, timelines means it has some history to restore your diagram. If you just went wrong, so you can just use the timeline to restore your diagram. Now, one more thing, you can see that it has added these lines for adding the code. And obviously, we was not able to add these type of things in Marmite Live Editor, which was their GitHub repository. So they have just advanced their system and it is very much helpful now. You can also browse code snippets. For example, if you want to just use sequence diagram nodes, so you can just use this one and put this in the code. For example, right here, you can just do that. Obviously, I put this block in middle of the code, so this is gonna say that there is some syntax error. And there is another feature, you can see that it is repair diagram. So AI will just assist you in repairing this diagram. The AI will see this error and it will analyze it on its own and just fix the error. Let's try this feature too. You can see that it is in progress. So it is probably repairing this image. You can see that it has repaired successfully. Now your diagram is restored, or the features or fixes that it needs to be implemented, the AI has implemented that. Now there are some more advancements in the code which are added by Marmite charts. So you can see those advancements by just going to the documentation. If I click on documentation, you will see huge details of using these diagrams and for customizing your diagrams. You can also find more options in the documentation, like their tutorials, integrations. You can also integrate Marmite with some other platforms. You can see the list right there. And you can also see other options like using APIs of Marmite. And there are more things to see. Let's just explore this one. So this is customizing themes with theme variables. They have added some customization. So it will just change the colors. So they are the variables that you need to use for changing some colors. For example, primary color and line color, secondary, tertiary color, etc. So if I just add this, for example, if I just copy this code and put this in my Marmite code at the top, so you will see the difference. You can see that it has just changed the theme color. So because they are theme variables. This is for flowchart. So it just put the variables color in sequence diagram. You can obviously customize the colors if you want to. And if you just scroll down, so you can use these variable in theme variables for applying the functionalities that are given here. So you can obviously change the colors and customize it according to your needs. So you have to just copy this and put this right here, just like these variables. Now let's just ask AI to change theme variables and see if that works. So I'm going to type change the theme variable to more attractive colors. And let's see if this works. So it is saying that here is a modified mermaid diagram with updated more vibrant theme colors, and it is generating it. Let's wait for it. So it has generated the code. I'm going to click on use and see if that works. So it has updated the code, but it seems not attractive. Let's undo this code and see the difference. You can see that. You can also ask again by just typing. For example, if I just want to change the color, primary color, so I will type change the primary color to, for example, green. So let's see. It is saying that you can use bright green by this code. So you can just copy this code or use this code. I think it was previous code, so you can just redo it and just copy the code of color and paste it. So you can see that it has changed the color just from here. So obviously it is AI board. It will be not perfect every time. You need to adjust it, and your prompt should be specific and better so that it can generate a perfect diagram or perfect customization. Let's try to develop another diagram. First of all, let's see what are our available diagrams. So we have flowchart, ER diagram, and class diagram. Let's go for class diagram. So I'm going to ask generate full code for creating class diagram of hospital management system. Let's see what it will do. So it has generated the code. Let's use this code, and you can see the generated diagram just right here. Let me export this so we can see this in full version. So here is the class diagram, and it looks better than the previously generated ChatGPT codes. Let's try to generate directly with the help of AI. So click on diagrams and you will be on your dashboard. And let's use this feature, new AI diagram. So let's try to create a state diagram, and I'm just going for the hospital management system, and it also says that describe what you want to cover in the diagram as structured and clearly as possible. So as I said before, your prompt should be specific and clear so that it can generate a perfect diagram. I'm going to just type a simple prompt for now, but obviously you can generate or learn about prompt engineering from further tutorials. So I'm going to type generate state diagram with all states for hospital management system and click on generate, and there will be your code and diagram. So let's use this diagram. Click on this use generated diagram, and it will prompt you to the editor again. And there again, you can easily edit this diagram if you want to. One last feature is that you can see that if I just click on this registration, then it will just prompt me to the registration line where it exists. For example, if I click on treatment, and it will just prompt me to the treatment keyword where it will find this line, and you can change the text right from here or from the editor if you want to do. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the next video. Thank you guys for watching.